Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinbase on your laptop. To begin, simply open your preferred web browser, like Chrome or Firefox, and navigate to the official Coinbase website. It's crucial to use a secure, updated browser for your financial safety. Once there, you will log in using your verified email address and password. If you are a new user, you will need to complete the sign-up process, which typically involves identity verification to ensure account security and compliance. Once logged in, the next step is to fund your account. You can easily link a bank account or a debit card to make deposits. Navigate to the Add a Payment Method section and follow the prompts. Remember that different payment methods may have varying transaction limits and processing times. For instance, bank transfers might take a few business days, while debit card purchases are often instant, allowing you to quickly start trading. With funds in your account, you are ready to buy or sell cryptocurrency. Head to the Buy/Sell tab on your dashboard. Here, you can choose from a wide range of digital assets, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Enter the amount you wish to trade, either in fiat currency or crypto. Always review the transaction details, including fees and the final amount, before confirming your purchase or sale to ensure accuracy. Finally, managing your portfolio is straightforward on Coinbase. The dashboard provides a clear overview of your cryptocurrency holdings and their current performance. You can set up customizable price alerts to notify you when a specific digital asset reaches your desired value. Additionally, explore the platform's educational resources to deepen your understanding of the crypto market and discover advanced trading features to optimize your investment strategy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.